Graphite is used as lubricant in heavy machines. Aspirin is obtained from latex tree. Ionic compounds conduct electricity when dissolved in water, and they are soluble in water and are also crystalline solids. Father of modern chemistry is Lavoisier. Cathode rays consists beam of electrons. Nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. Proton was discovered by Rutherford. A swimmer finds it easier to swim in seawater than plain water because of seawater has higher density. An electric iron has heating element made of nichrome. Heaviest naturally occurring element of periodic table, uranium. Pungent smell of garlic is due to a sulfur compound. White phosphorus is stored underwater because it is dangerously reactive in air. Mercury is known as quicksilver. Red phosphorus present at the tip of the matchstick. Magnesium burns with dazzling white flame. Sodium benzoate is used as food preservative. Potassium is used for the manufacturing of fertilizers. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in of the periodic table. Francium is the most electropositive element in of the periodic table. Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984 is related to methyl isocyanate. A powerful irritate present in smog is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Plastic is type of polymer. Platinum is known as white gold. Petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbon. Acetyl salicylic acid is commonly used as a painkiller. Iron is commonly used for making an electromagnet. Halite, commonly known as rock salt. Halite is the source of common salt. Xenon is known as a stranger gas. Rayon is known as artificial silk. Reinforced glass is used in bulletproof screens. When quicklime is added to water, heat is liberated. Nail polish remover contains acetone. Zeolite is suitable for water purification. Silicon used in the manufacture of high voltage insulators. Chemical name of green vitriol is iron sulfate. Sodium silicate is chemical name of quartz. Camphor can easily be purified by the process of sublimation. The National Chemical Laboratory is located in Pune. Natural rubber is heated with sulfur in vulcanization process. Titanium dioxide is the chemical name for marble. Deep blue color is imported to glass by the presence of cobalt oxide. Anthracite is one of variety of coal contains the highest percentage of carbon. Henry Becquerel discovered the radioactivity. Cooking oil can be converted into vegetable ghee by the process of hydrogenation. Silver iodide is used to produce artificial rain. Lightest element in the universe is hydrogen. Germanium and silicon is most commonly used in semiconductors. Silver nitrate is commonly used in voting ink. It is first used in India 1962 in Mysore. Hydrogen is the lowest density element and osmium the highest density element. Silver bromide is commonly used chemical in photography. Tungsten has highest melting and boiling point. Radon is the heaviest gas. Hydrogen peroxide is used to restore the color of old oil paintings. Ethylene glycol is used in car radiators as it increases the freezing temperature. Age of fossils and archaeological excavation is determined by radioactive carbon, C14. Non-stick utensil is made up of Teflon gelatin used to prevent the melting of ice. Ferric chloride is used to stop bleeding because it is a strong coagulant. Barium is the responsible for green color in fireworks. Liquid hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel. Fluorescent tube contains helium gas and neon gas. Copper is the first metal used by man. Titanium is called strategic metal. Lithium is the lightest metal. It weighs about half as much as water. Antacids drugs are used to productive relief burning sensation in stomach. Bakelite's used in electrical insulator, switches, handles of cocoas. Element common to all acids is hydrogen. Balloons are filled with helium. Most abundant metal in Earth's crust is aluminum. Carbon occurring in the nature in purest form is diamond. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate acid is used in soft drinks. In the absence of air and under high temperature and pressure, the dead organisms are converted into petroleum and natural gas. Nuclear fuel in the sun is helium. Metal constituent of chlorophyll is magnesium. Carbon dioxide is responsible for the swelling of bread. Kerosene is a mixture of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Most of the explosions in mines occurs due to mixing of methane with air. Titanium is known as metal of future. Impurity present in ore is gangue. Paper is chemically cellulose. Xenon is also known as stranger gas. Butane is used in cigarette lighters. Metals are lustrous because they have free electrons. Noble gases are colorless and odorless. Petroleum is found in sedimentary rocks. Lead pencil contains graphite. Platinum is called white gold. Nickel is used for the synthesis of Vanaspati Ghee. Ammonia, NH3, is synthesized through Haber's process. Ozone is a latrobe of oxygen. Cesium used in photoelectric cells, which is used to convert sunlight into electricity. Calcium hydride is used to prepare fireproof and waterproof clothes. During the process of rusting, the weight of iron increased due to the weight of oxygen which has combined with the iron. Fuse wire is made up of lead and tin. Gases used by sea divers for breathing are oxygen and helium. Ozone blackens silver's shine. Eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate. Acid rain is caused when the air is polluted by nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide gases. Alum is used as a water purifier. Electronegative elements are non-metal. Lignite, known as the brown coal. Rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing, chrome plating, anodizing or making alloys. Galvanization is a method of protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a thin layer of zinc. Black lung disease occurs in people working in coal mines. Lead pollutes big cities' air. Sources of lead is emissions from motor vehicles and industrial sources. Crooked glass is used to make sunglass. Acetylsalicylic acid, commonly known as aspirin. Barium hydroxide is known bitter water. Benzoic acid is one of the most common preservatives used in food processing industry. Deuterium is isotope of hydrogen. Efficiency of the catalyst depends on its molecular state. Mine explosions are mostly caused by mixing of air and methane. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from isoprene. Iron pyrite is known as fool's gold. Ozone is diamagnetic in nature. Oxides of metals are alkaline. Paraffin wax is saturated hydrocarbon. Mercury Vapour and Argon is filled inside a tube light. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid. Bee sting contains a methanoic acid. A photoelectric cell contains selenium metal. Zinc phosphide is used as rat poison. Hydrogen was the first element to be produced after Big Bang. Copper and its alloys are natural antimicrobial material.